tell you. No.
Yes, this is the Baxi Solo 3. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I just can't get it to work. You know, I've been messing with this bloody thing for ages. I just can't get it to work. I've got no hot water or anything.
Does it eat your water? Well, let me have a look at it. Let's have a look. Right, no. I'll just take the cover off and I'll just, there we go. I see the problem. Look, one of the burners is gone. I'll just put a new part on it. There we go.
Oh,
there we go.
Looks very technical.
Yeah, yeah. It's a common problem on these. Baxis. There we go. Put a new burner on there. There we go. Now I think you'll find that should work now. Just get the boiler room sealed again. Turn it on. Okay. Would you like to go and try it now?
Oh, yes, I would do.
Is your water working?
Oh, scorching. Never been so hot in my life. That's brilliant.
There we go. Amazing. Another boiler fixed.